I took you farther than they ever thought. Oh, 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 oh. I took you to a level airplane, ready to go, and we soaring through the clouds. J-Hope taking over now, clown anybody acting cool in the class. They really got something to say with their ass out. What you really wanna make up all that? Yeah, I never really asked nothing that dumb. I was just trying to work on my own song, own poem, own written on the own goal. This off the dome, and I speak, bro, speak slow. Tell me that you got some peace. Break it apart each week. Oh, you tell me, yeah. Alright, what's up guys? My name is Brennan. I'm actually pretty excited for this video we're about to get into. This J-Hope Airplane. You know, I believe this is the first J-Hope solo song I'm listening to, so it should be interesting. We're gonna go ahead and react to the lyric version first, then I'm gonna get into the music video, but let's get right to it.
다시 기억해 맨말은 땅이 나보 태울 때 저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 그때 나를 다시 기억해 맨말은 땅이 나보 태울 때 저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인.
This kind of reminds me of something, the technique he's doing at the beginning, where he's kind of like, it's kind of like singing, and then it comes in with like multiple voices or layers of his voice and like some auto-tune and stuff, and it's like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, I'm trying to remember, there's a specific song or a specific artist that does this a lot that I can't really put a finger on right now, but let's keep going.
아름다운 세상을 나고 있어 눈 쳐다보네 내 느낀 슬레임 아직도 생각해 그게 내 꿈을 이루게 지금을 만들게 하고 있어 눈 쳐다보고 높았던 꿈의 자리에서 아름다운 세상을 나고 있어 눈 쳐다보네 내 느낀 슬레임 아직도 생각해 그게 내 꿈을 이루게 지금을 만들게 everywhere 이제 네 슈에 flashing 터질 때 안전한 도착의 축복을 담을게 그때 나를 다시 기억해 맨마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 이제 원 없이 날아
In the background, that little dun 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 dun. It's really adding a nice layer to the instrumental. He's got a pretty different intonation right here than he has had for every other verse in the song. Like, watch, let's go back here. Ajiko say, oh yeah. And now we go over here. It's kind of like a softer, he's like pronunciating and kind of rapping like softer with his voice right here.
구름과의 케미 구름과 하루 종일 구름 타는 재미 구름 보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행
This is a song that I heard in another video, and I heard this part of it in another video, and it was really bugging me because it sounded like something I know. I think it's an A$AP Ferg song. It's like something in that talk with a bell with that beat out there. What is that song, dude? It's kind of cool. Notice how J-Hope goes from that softer intonation into a more like almost more aggressive, almost more nasally. Alright, let me check, see if I find that song real quick. Don't mean to make danger. Don't let it see her. That's the Bruce. I don't give a fuck what you say. My whole team like a parade. I don't know. I mean, maybe this is the wrong song. Maybe so I can't find the moment right now. I don't know why. But that moment sounds so familiar. Regardless, it sounds good. Good choice here, the way he's using it. But let's keep going. It seemed like the song was mainly about him kind of accomplishing his dream of being able to get on the airplane. I kind of got derailed with that whole that moment kind of threw me off. I spent way too much time trying to figure out where that's from, what part of the song, if this is even the right song. But as a whole, this is its own song, you know, clearly. The instrumental was pretty chill, but it also kind of had some hype moments. But let's get into a more in-depth analysis of what he's doing here with the music video. He said, I remember myself back in that moment when the barren land burned me down. That's some crazy imagery, dude. You're gonna say barren land burn you down? That's what burned you down? That's crazy. Phenomenal writing. But let's keep going. And there's like a pause. So he does three kind of similar lines. You know, I'd be willing to bet right now, structurally, the way those three lines were just right there, if you were to write them out, you could figure out a way to line them up to where you could see the parallels in what he's doing. But look, now watch what he does on this fourth line, where he goes with it. He's kind of using some misdirection with his sound, because he sets it up as if he's gonna play with that scheme again, but then he carries it out into a whole nother melody. When that right there, that's when, if he wanted to maintain the structure of the previous lines, he would go like Saint Joe Asua. But instead he keeps up the pace of what he was doing before, and he's taking the song in a different direction, and it's fun, you know. Like, that's just great right there. And I already pointed this out, but just the way he kind of builds that emotion. Like, maybe, maybe, and then he kind of gets that into, you know what I'm saying? He makes it sound good, but he kind of has like this more aggressive tone or oomph in what he's saying. That part's sick. This is like a bunch of internal rhymes right here. That's a cool shot right there. I mean, the music video was cool in the way they were playing with a lot of different way of movement. They had like a camera angle where it was like spinning around him. They had a lot of movement with the city and lights and cars and different screening. Overall, guys, I really do like the song. I'm not crazy about the chorus, but it sounds pretty good. You know, the message is really good. It's completely uplifting. He's mentioning how he's got haters, but he just stays, he don't really care. It's a great message to emphasize. This was a good one. J-Hope's not let me down yet. And you know, it's really hard to pick a favorite rapper out of the group just because they all do so many different things so well. And I still want to get a better feel for all of them before I kind of make a judgment on who's my favorite right now. So I'll withhold my comments on who's my favorite right now. But if you guys got any other suggestions on J-Hope or any other solo work, go ahead, drop it in the comments. If you want to give this video a like, it lets me know to keep doing these sorts of videos, keep doing BTS, J-Hope. And it really does help me out, guys. Whenever I get a like on a video, I really do check which videos get the most likes, and then I go into the comment section of those videos and I kind of prioritize those comments most of the time. Now, I will say on this channel, BTS Outro Tier, you know, is the most requested song on my channel. And the reason I've yet to react to this song is because I want to, you know, when I'm posting videos, I take into mind the growth of my channel. And I realize that uploading Outro Tier when I have 5,000 subscribers versus 2,000 is gonna help me out a lot more. It's just gonna do better. So I'm trying to be strategic with the growth. I hope you guys can understand where I'm coming from there. I'm really trying to make this channel into something. I don't know what, but I'm having a good time on this journey, and you know, people been great in the comments. People been making me smile, and I really do appreciate you guys. So thank you guys for watching.